last howl. The 2023 Audi R8, Audi's final V10 supercar. From the streets of Monaco to the screens of Hollywood, the Audi R8 has become an icon. It's sleek, sharp, powerful, and in 2023, Audi brought its production to an end. But to understand why that matters, we first need to look at where this car comes from. Audi, founded in Germany in 1909, is a global leader in luxury and performance vehicles. Its name, Audi, is the Latin translation of the founder's last name, Horch, meaning listen. Over the years, Audi has built a reputation for clean design, innovative technology, and Quattro, its signature AWD all-wheel drive system. Behind its most powerful models is Audi Sportgum, the brand's high-performance division, responsible for cars like the RS6, RS e-tron GT, and the legendary R8. The R8 was never just another sports car. Built at the Blinger HFE facility in Heilbronn, Germany, it was hand-assembled with precision and care, sharing a chassis with the Lamborghini Huracan. The R8 was Audi's answer to Ferrari and Porsche, but with everyday comfort and German refinement. When it launched in 2006, the R8 broke expectations. It was Audi's first mid-engine supercar, powered initially by a V8, and later by a glorious 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10. That engine, the very same one used in the Lamborghini Huracan, became the heart and soul of the R8. In its final year, the 2023 R8 is offered in two main configurations: Rude rear-wheel drive, producing 560 horsepower for a purist, tail-happy experience; Quattro AWD, offering 602 horsepower and incredible grip. Both versions use a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering lightning-fast gear shifts and a brutal 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just over 3 seconds. For its swan song, Audi also released a limited edition, the R8 GT Rude. Only 333 units were produced globally. It's the lightest, most track-focused R8 ever built, pushing 602 horsepower to the rear wheels only. With a unique carbon aero kit, aggressive gearing, and distinctive styling, visually, the R8 keeps its clean, sharp design. The wide grille, large side intakes, signature LED lighting, and muscular stance make it instantly recognizable. Inside, the cabin is modern, minimal, and driver-focused. Audi's virtual cockpit replaces analog gauges with a customizable digital display, showing everything from navigation to performance metrics. The Mi multimedia interface system handles infotainment, while premium touches like Bang and Olufsen B&O audio, Napa leather, and optional carbon trim complete the experience. Despite being a supercar, the R8 was always usable. It's low, fast, and loud, but not fragile or impractical. That daily usability made it unique among exotic rivals. In terms of pricing, the 2023 R8 starts around $160,000 for the base Rude model. The Quattro performance trim runs closer to $210,000. The GT Rude, if you can find one, costs north of $250,000. It competes with the Porsche 911 Turbo S, McLaren Artura, and even the Ferrari Roma. But none of those offer a naturally aspirated V10 anymore. That's what sets the R8 apart. The 2023 R8 is the last of its kind. Audi confirmed that this is the final production year for the model, and no new R8s will be built going forward. The future of Audi performance lies in electrification. The RS e-tron GT already showcases that shift fast, powerful, and silent. But here's where things get interesting. Audi has not confirmed an R9. Instead, a new high-performance flagship, tentatively nicknamed the RNext, is in development. It's expected to debut around 2027 and will likely be either a plug-in hybrid or a fully electric supercar, potentially sharing its platform with the Lamborghini Temerario, the Huracan's electrified successor. Reports suggest it could produce over 1,000 horsepower. What's unclear is the name. Audi may not call it the R9. They may move away from the R8 legacy to mark a new era. One thing is certain, it won't have a naturally aspirated V10. and it won't sound like this ever again. In Audi's lineup, the R8 stood alone. The S series offers luxury sedans. The Q series covers SUVs. The S and RS models push performance. The e-tron lineup leads the electric transition, and the R8 until now was the soul of Audi sport. In a world moving toward quiet efficiency, the 2023 Audi R8 reminds us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. No filters, no fake sound, just mechanical roar and emotion. This car doesn't whisper, it howls. If you've ever driven one or even just heard it go by, you know, this wasn't just a car, it was an era.